Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn how to see your data usage on Telegram step by step. Whether you use Telegram every day for chatting, sharing media, or joining groups, it's helpful to know exactly how much data the app uses. Monitoring your usage can save mobile data and help you manage your internet plan better. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're using the latest version so everything looks right. Once it's open, look at the top left of your screen. You'll see the menu icon. Tap on it to open the side menu. Next, choose the option labeled Settings. This is where you can access all the customization and privacy features Telegram offers. Inside the Settings menu, scroll until you find Data and Storage. Tap on it. This section controls how Telegram uses your network and storage, making it one of the most important areas to check regularly. Once you're inside Data and Storage, look for the option called Data Usage. Tap on that, and here's where the magic happens. You'll see a detailed breakdown of how much data Telegram has used over mobile networks, Wi-Fi, and roaming. You can also see how much data is being spent on messages, media, calls, and other activities. This page gives you a clear, organized view of your habits. Maybe you send lots of videos, or maybe group chats with heavy media are eating up your mobile data. Knowing this helps you make smarter choices, like deciding whether to auto-download media only on Wi-Fi or lowering the quality of uploaded videos. After checking your data, you can even reset the statistics to start fresh. Many people do this once a month to track usage more accurately. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to check your Telegram data usage anytime you need. Taking just a minute to do this can make a real difference in managing your data plan and keeping your phone running efficiently. Thanks for watching.